guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. If it's your first time, karibu sana. If you're a continued subscriber, karibu pia. So today I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process of how you're supposed to register on SHA. SHA is a new method that has come that the government is using to collect the health insurance. So it's called the Social Health Authority. So now what you need to do is you need to go to the sha.go.ke on your browser, and it's going to take you to this page where you're going to register as an individual or register employers, those sort of things. So for this instance, you're going to go to the register individual. And since I've already registered, I'll just show you how you're supposed to go about it because I can't do it the second time. So the first thing that you're going to do, it's going to ask you for to select your ID type. So you're going to check from this, mostly it's Kenyan citizen. Then you're going to write here your ID number, then your first name, your phone number. And then once you put your phone number, it's going to ask you, it's going to send you a code. Then you're going to proceed. All right. So once you proceed, it's going to ask you for the OTP number. But then once you've registered, so for those who don't know, I can't go again. So if you have an account, what you need to do is come and sign in. Because I had already created an account, I'll just come in and sign in. The sign-in page, this is how it looks like. You're going to see they're going to tell you to sign in into your account. The first thing always is to check your ID type. So either you're a Kenyan citizen, foreign resident, or refugee. I don't know about the mandate number. So mostly it's Kenyan citizen. Then you're going to put in your ID number. Once you put in your ID number, you're going to put in your PIN, and then you're going to log in. Okay, I'm going to do that in a moment, and then I'll come back to you guys in a minute. Okay. So hey, once you've already gone to your account, it's going to send you an OTP where you're going to sign in. And as you can see, I'm in my page already. So if you click on these three dots, it's going to take you to the profile, the home page, your profile, personal health, appointments, and health records. So here, this is just your profile that you are creating. You can continue, put in your income, dependents, you put in your next of kin, address, and the health facilities, okay, where you're coming from. Then you're going to come back here. It's going to show you the health overview, like how is your health. You're going to check your health profile. Do you have blood pressure, your weight, height, and the blood group, okay? The reports are going to be here. And then appointment is if you have any doctor's appointments, they're going to show up here. Total appointments request, booked, and confirmed. If they're cancelled, they're going to show up here again. Then we have appointment calendar is where you come in and you choose what date you want to go for the appointment, okay? Then once you put it, so for example, you can just say I want to be there on the 7th or the 6th. Then you add according to the time that's there, then you add to your calendar, okay? Then the next thing is you're going to come to the health records. So it's going to show you how many number of visits that you've had, number of records, the doctors, facilities that you've been through, total expenditure, the vitals, no hospital, they're going to be there. And then here you're going to see your prescriptions. The current prescriptions that you have are going to show up here, I believe so. So now once you're done, that's it. It's nothing to worry about. Then here you can put your profile or you can leave it blank. It's up to you. You can change it or you can leave it like that. So it's just as simple as that. And once you're done, you log out of the account and that's it. Ta-da! You're done. Thank you so much. If you have any questions or if you have any problems logging into the afyayangu.go.ke or the SHA program, please let me know in the comment sections. I'll be able to help you with everything that has to do with this. So thank you so much for listening and for watching this video to the end. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.